In this video, I'm going to show you how to change out the two sensors in a Balboa spa pack while the hot tub's still full of water. Okay, so no shut-offs. So as soon as I open these up, so we got to disconnect, or we're going to disconnect the sensors. So you got one sensor there, one sensor there. And before we even attempt to take these out, I want to put the new ones in. Sensor A, that's in. Sensor B, that's in. So one way. So when I'm ready to do it, I can put it in. Make sure that the O-rings are on both. See, this one here, no O-ring, it came off. So we have to put another O-ring on. Normally you'd use the O-ring off the old one, but we can't. We just happen to have an extra one. So there. That's why you always have to check these when they come out. Even when we pull this out, we got to make sure that it's with this. Okay. Here we got a plastic bag. So we're going to have to get behind this. Okay. Jam it in there. We don't want it spraying. And we have our other sensor. We got to make sure that we have the other one ready to go. So there's our new one we're going to put in. Make sure it's really covered there. So we're going to undo it. And stick your finger over it when you pull it out. So I'm trying to show you here. So that can undo. Like that. Okay. Now, I'm going to pop this out. You got to make sure it's overhang too. Pop it up. So we're going to just stick your finger over top once it goes up. Okay, there we go. So our finger's over it. Got the other one ready. O-rings on. And let's check to make sure that the other O-ring came off. Yeah, so it came off. It's right there. Okay, we're gonna check it in there. Okay, push down. Make sure that you're not going to over thread that. And make sure you don't cross thread it. So it's just snug with your hands. So right there, okay? And then we got to slowly take this back towards us in case water fell on it. Okay, that's one. Get the other one. Okay, see that. So do it again. Other sensor's ready on my other hand. Okay. Pull up. We're gonna make sure, come on, plastic bag, stay there. Okay, there we go. That one's ready to go. Again, we gotta make sure it's overhanging here. Go straight up. Okay. Put that down. Okay. Again, we're gonna pull this towards us. In case there's water. Snug with your fingers Snug, 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 snug. Jeez. Get everything all plugged in.